Hey Nikita, can you hear me? Just
Yeah, Kila, I can hear you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Nikita?
Remember me?
Of course, I do remember. Come on.
All right. Thank you so much.
It's so hot here. Oh my God, unbelievable.
Hmm?
How's the?
What is the
Yeah,
temperature over there?
I think it's about over 37, 38, I guess. Unbelievable.
Quite
Yeah.
similar here.
Yeah. Is it really hot there?
Yeah, it's very hot.
Okay. How have you been? I think it's been about, I think almost 1 month since we met, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. How have you been? What have you been doing?
I'm fantastic.
Did you celebrate Holi?
Yeah, of course. Why not?
What? Oh, yeah. What did you do? Tell me about it.
Actually, usually I do not play Holi with color.
Mm-hmm.
We just celebrate like the burning of Holika, like that.
Okay, just the diyas,
The first day.
the
Yeah.
the candles. Okay. So Holi symbolizes colors in your life, joy, happiness.
Yeah, but I don't like to play with colors and waters usually people. But this time it was not that much joyous as it used to be earlier. It was like
Mm,
because of Corona, you know,
I
people
know.
did not celebrate it properly.
Okay. So do you make anything special, any sweet or any snack that you make specially for Holi?
On Holi, especially, we make that. Do you know about gujia?
Gujia, yes, yes, I know. The
Yeah, we
stuffed
make.
little pockets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we make gujia.
Gujia. All right. So, shall we move on to the topic for the day?
Yeah,
Did you
sure.
check the topic out? Okay, topic of the day, self improvement. Before that, you have an extempore. Are you ready for an extempore?
What is extempore? I don't know.
I'll give you a topic, you just have to talk about 2 to 3 minutes. Right?
All right, all
Yeah?
right.
All right. So, option A, happy versus successful. Option
Okay.
B, best small business ideas. You can choose either one of this. Anything.
Okay, I will go with the first one.
Okay. Tell me. Happy versus
All
success.
right. My preference is we should be happy more than successful,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because happiness, uh, success, success, like happiness is already a success itself, right? If
Yes,
we are
yes.
happy in our life, then obviously we are successful. But if we are successful, it doesn't mean that we are happy.
Happy.
Yeah,
So
getting
true.
success is quite easier than have being a happy in our life. So I
Mhm.
would go with my happiness rather than the success, because a successful person never can have happiness, right?
Yes, yes.
Because it happens sometimes that we have so many examples around the world. People are successful but they are not happy.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my preference is happiness.
Happiness.
Yeah,
Okay. So if you're happy, you will be successful,
you will
isn't
be
it?
successful. Yeah.
You're happy. All right. So the topic of the day is self improvement. What
All
are the
right.
things that you're doing this year to improve yourself, Nikita?
The most important thing that I have been doing in this year is to improve my speaking skills, and yeah. And the second thing, like I'm a quite emotional person. I'm trying to overcome my emotions, and
Mm-hmm.
I try to be more stronger,
Mm-hmm.
like stronger than earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Like yeah, I easily flow with my emotions.
Okay, you take
Yeah,
decisions out of your emotions, is it?
out of emotions. Yeah, so
Uh,
I'm trying to overcome my emotions this
Me
year.
too. That makes the two of us. Same with me. I'm a very emotional person.
Me too.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
And
Sometimes.
secondly, I would like to be more independent. Like
Mhm.
I don't want to be a kind of person who, like, I don't want to be dependent on others for my
Someone.
small things. I want to be independent. I want to deal my all things with myself, only on myself.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yes. So, what do you think about India and women in India? Are they dependent on their husbands or their, you know?
If
family
we talk about
members?
modern India, yeah, women are more independent, like before,
Mm-hmm.
like in rather than in
Compared.
cities. Yeah,
Mhm.
compared to earlier time, women are more independent now. But if we talk about the rural area and the city areas, so
Mm-hmm.
still in rural areas, women are dependent on their husband or on their family still. But if we
Yes.
talk about cities, yeah, women are dependent there. They can do
Yes.
whatever they want, but in
Mm-hmm.
rural areas, still women need to improve themselves.
Okay, that's true. What about, what do you think? Do you think there's a strong patriarchal society in India?
Yeah,
Patriarchy is
obviously.
very strong. Have you
Yeah.
ever encountered something like that?
I also belong to a rural area, so there are so many incidents when I like face that kind of situation. Like,
Mhm.
yeah, my husband like takes all the decision about our family, and
Yes, yes.
before my marriage, my father used to take all the decision about me, like about
What
my
do you do?
education,
Yes, yes.
yeah, about everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true, isn't it? And it's still going on in India as well. Although we are
Definitely,
being more modern and inclining towards the Western culture, all these,
yeah,
it's still prevailing in India, right?
sure.
Hmm. Okay.
Do you ever face like that? Like you
Oh,
are
many
no?
times, always, every time.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I have a small YouTube channel, okay? So I play
Okay.
mainly video games on my channel. So
Okay.
video games are only made for men. That's what they think like, oh, men. And then when
Yeah,
I
yeah.
started playing video games, they couldn't accept it. No, and they'll come to my comment section and then bash me like, would get back into your kitchen, what are you doing, make me a
Oh
sandwich and
my
things like
God.
that.
This is the
Really
main
bad.
problem with Indian men actually. Like
Yes,
I've seen
exactly.
one more channel on YouTube. The girl belongs to a rural area, and
Mm-hmm.
she is like in her 20s,
Mm-hmm.
and she does like the roasting videos. Usually these
Okay.
roasting videos men do, but
Okay,
the girl
yeah.
is doing these roasting videos, and even the women are not accepting her. They
Ah,
comment ridiculously in her comment section.
so true.
Sometimes they make her feel about her body shame and these ridiculous things they are doing in her comment section. I
Yeah,
don't know
like my
why.
blood is boiling when you're saying it because
Yeah,
it's
I
so
really
bad. It's so
feel
bad.
about that girl. She is doing very well and she makes the videos quite very well. So like
Mm-hmm.
her content is always good, but still
Uh-huh.
people are pulling her leg. They always put her down. They dislike her video. They comment ridiculously, very
Ah,
ridiculous comments.
I
Like
heard.
yeah.
So I built up a wall. Like I really don't care about what people think about me. Men, women, I don't care. I do things for my happiness. That's the deal.
Yeah, in India, people do not accept you if you are doing something different from others.
Yes. And we do have a culture of shushing everything. Shush, shush. Oh, no, no, don't do it. You're a girl. You shouldn't be doing that. Just
Yeah, you
shush
should
it.
not sit like that. You should behave in a certain way. You
Oh,
cannot
blast
go
trap is
outside in night.
showing.
Yeah, all the time. There are so many foundations and limitations that have been put on us.
Yeah, that's so true. But I can feel that you are a strong lady, and I am talking to another strong lady. Yeah, I can
Yeah,
feel that from you.
Akila, seriously, I'm very strong lady. I always stand by myself. If there is something that I don't like, I always stand by myself. I never
Yes,
let others to rule over me.
so true. That's so, so true. You should never let people bash you all over and just get away with it. You should never let people get away with
Yeah,
anything.
like my family is also kind of, you can say, orthodox people.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, they didn't allow me. Like I also have a YouTube channel. They earlier
Ah,
than when I wanted to be a YouTuber, they didn't allow me to show my face on YouTube. But
hmm.
yeah, I went with that. I wanted to do that. Then I thought that I must do that. I went with
Okay.
that, and yeah, right now I have my own channel.
And you're happy and you're proud
I'm
about it, right?
Yeah,
Your video is stuck, Nikita. Okay, you're back. So, how is your channel going on?
my
If you
channel
want
is
to,
going. Yeah, it's going on quite well.
share the name with me, I would look it up.
All right, it's learn together.
Learn together. Just learn
Yeah,
together.
yeah, it's learn together.
Okay. Okay, you're talking about English and all that.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
usually I upload my these conversation videos on my YouTube.
Oh, okay, okay. All right. Nice. So you're a YouTuber as well.
Yeah,
That's good. So you're monetized?
Yeah, I got my channel monetized
Yes. Nice. Good.
just few days ago.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So
Yeah.
that's a deal. So we, even though we are saying that, oh, we're developing, unless we clear all these little bits from India, we're
These
never gonna get
developing
developed.
things are only for the ladies who, I think, for the rich people. Like
Yeah.
what
Ah,
I
yeah.
feel.
You said it.
Yeah, the
You said
stars and
it.
actresses,
Yeah. Yeah, that's
they
so
are
true.
quite independent. They can do whatever they want, but it's very difficult for the common women in India.
Yeah. And then the thing is that even though people are educated, doesn't mean that they have sense. I've
No,
met a
not at
lot
all.
of people
Not
who
at
are
all.
very well educated but no sense.
In my family also, they means I can tell clearly, but there are people who are well educated. They are going outside. They are working in corporate offices, but they see everything there. Like girls and boys are working together, and they spend time together. But still, the behavior of them in the family is same with their ladies, like with their sister
Ah,
and with their wives. It's same. They
yes,
are
yes.
mentally not prepared that they have to give the freedom to their own women also. They are
Yeah,
not.
it's actually, I'd like to call it toxic masculinity,
Yeah.
like you have to be the alpha male, you have to take care of the pack kind of a masculinity
Yeah,
that our culture has imposed on us. It's
yeah, the
going on and on
mentality
and
is
on.
just quite same as it used to be earlier.
Yes. If you're planning to upload this video, I bet some people are gonna be like, "Oh, what are you girls talking
Yeah,
about? Oh,
I know that
go
there
into
would
the
be a big
kitchen."
controversy in my comment section. I know that.
Yeah, but
In one
hey,
of
we
my
don't
video,
care.
we were talking about mother. Like
Uh-huh.
yeah, I'm very touched to my mother rather than my
Yes,
father. So
yes.
I was
Me
talking
too.
about my mother. Then I got so
Hmm.
many comments in my comment section, like how can you neglect your father? Father need a
Oh, oh my
like a roof
God.
on your head. How means that kind of stuff. There was a flood of comments in my comment section. Like
Oh,
people
wow.
cannot accept you if you give preference of women than a men.
Yeah, exactly. They
Yeah.
cannot. That's our culture. That's our society. Welcome to India. Yeah, right. So, what else? So your YouTube journey is going pretty fine.
Yeah, it's going fine.
So in the next 5 years, where do you see yourself when it comes to YouTube? Being a
Uh,
content creator,
I
platinum button or a silver button?
maybe I
Maybe.
cannot. Yeah, I would like to get a platinum button, of course. I want that
That's nice.
high
Yeah.
professional.
Yeah, that's nice. What else? What were you doing all day?
Right now, schools are open. We are going to school, but I think it may schools may shut down again. We can get the
Yeah,
notification anytime.
anytime. If I
Yeah.
knew you were a YouTuber, I would have dressed up, Nikita. You didn't
Oh, it's
tell
okay. You
me. You
always
didn't
look
tell.
pretty. You
Oh,
are
come
already
on.
pretty. Yeah.
Look at me.
Oh, it's okay. No worries.
Since it was so hot, I was inside and I was like, oh no, the class is gonna start. I have to change, and I just wrapped something around and came.
It's okay. You are looking pretty.
Yeah, it's all right. What do you think about body shaming in India?
In India, people judge you by your shape of your body. Yeah, that's
Color of
true.
your skin.
Color of your skin. I've faced many like that incident. Actually, I don't like somebody comment on my body. So
Yeah,
like whenever I travel in public transport, like when I used to go to college,
yeah.
so like that was the first incident in my life that I got. I was
Mm.
traveling in a bus when a boy was standing just right behind me. Like he was like following me quite when I left my college. He was
Uh-huh.
following me, and
Uh-huh.
then he boarded in the bus with me, and he was just standing behind me, and he was commenting, "See what kind of figure she has. She is like a bomb," and that kind of like
Oh my God,
he
it's
was
boiling my. It's giving
commenting
me
like that.
goosebumps.
That was the most embarrassing moment for me. Actually, I cannot tell you what
Did you
kind of feeling I
react?
had that
Did
time.
you did you do anything?
I didn't do that time anything because I was not that much kind of strong
You
girl
were
that time.
younger.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
was only I think 17 or 18
Oh,
that
okay.
time.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was quite afraid, and if I did anything that time, my family may stop me to going to the college.
From,
So
oh, okay. Yes.
yeah, that's why I didn't do anything. And still I get that kind of comment, like I seriously don't like that.
Yeah, I just people think that they can, just because they have an opinion, they can just put their opinion on the people's faces. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And other also, I've seen many people, if there is any plumpy girl, they like comment ridiculously on that kind of girls. Yeah.
yes, like why you fat or why you eat less, eat less.
Yeah,
Why?
she's, yeah, very, very bad kind of comments. I even cannot
Comments.
tell you what
Yeah, I
like they
know.
speak about a girl.
I know. It's all, I think our society, most men are sexually very frustrated. Lack of
Yeah,
proper education, a lack of proper knowledge about anything whatsoever, because our culture is
agree.
like that. Everything is shushed.
Totally, totally agree.
Yeah,
Even
everything is
in
shushed.
schools also, Akhila, whenever I have to teach something, and there are some kind of lines that
Yes,
are related to like sexually or anything like, yeah, like kissing
yes,
or anything, if there
anything,
is
yeah.
then that kind of part in a story, then I usually skip that part.
Mm-hmm. Because the boys will be
Because
all over the place.
boys are there and they start hooting, they start whistling, and that kind of
Hmm.
scene always
See,
creates anxiety.
that's wrong. The young
Yeah,
children doing that, yeah, thinking it
yeah,
is okay to behave in that way. That's a deal. I think it has to start with the education part,
yeah,
children and their proper education.
yeah, definitely.
That's a deal. Oh no, I think our session is about to end. With that, I need to let you know that it was really a nice session. You
Okay.
made, yeah. Uh, Only place I noted down is you told me bring a happy in our life. Bring a happy in our life. You
Happiness
said
in
that.
our life. Yeah,
Yeah. Bring not
happiness.
bring happiness in our life. Don't have to
Happiness.
use that
Yeah,
a.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Nothing else. It was a really nice session, and
Okay. Thank you
I
so much.
bet I bet you are putting your effort in practicing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, So this is your how many session with Clapping Girl?
Sorry, didn't get you.
This is your eighth session, sixth section.